No.
Okay, so three little birds. A chord. First finger 4th string, second finger 3rd string, third finger 2nd string, all in the 2nd fret. Open A string, 5th string, and top string, no bottom string. And we're just going down, but there's a silent beat before we go down, so it's like we go boom, jack, boom, jack, boom, jack, boom, jack. Okay, so we start on our silent beat. Yeah? Boom, jack, 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 boom, jack. Then up to the D. Boom, jack, 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 boom, jack. And we start that whole thing again. And this is the chorus, right? So no about a thing. Every little thing gonna be alright. No about a thing. Every little thing. Just like that. It's the simplest way to play it. We can get it a bit groovier later on. But that'll make it sound like the song, and that's a good change to practice, okay? And the D chord, you know, so just A to D. Okay, there you go.